Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. We're continuing our series on small backyard remodels, just trying to give you some ideas on things you can do with your backyard. So this client had a really small backyard that was hemmed in by a lot of big shrubs and a little hedgerow, and it wasn't very big. A young couple, first house, a toddler and a baby, and they wanted some, nice space for both entertaining and for their kids to play in. Now, what was intriguing about this yard is it had a little slope on the back half of it. So we demoed the whole thing, laid out the big red hose, and I designed this kind of curvy retaining wall to maximize the flat area of this particular backyard. So we did a very simple CMU block wall. I've talked about those in the past. To really kind of level it off as best as we could. Want to keep that wall under 3 feet so we didn't have to do any permitting issues. And lay it all in. It's going to get a nice stucco coat on the side that faces out. Side that faces in is just going to have the good French drain. Once we did that, then it was time to lay out the concrete. So we basically divided this yard into 3 halves. 3 parts. The big part was where the adult patio was going to go. This was going to have brick put on top of the concrete, and now you can see there's a view. They didn't even have that view before, but clearing all the shrubbery out gave them a great view. And then the time-consuming process of laying out all that brick. They really wanted this old world brick look to it. They were from back east. So we found a really nice aged brick here in San Diego to lay out their beautiful brick patio. And the guys did a tremendous job on this as well. So once we got that done, then it was time to work on the kids side of the yard. So they purchased this fabulous play structure set that the guys assembled, and then we kind of fine-tuned its exact placement, a little forward, a little back, a little left. The guys were not very fond of me telling them, oh, move it here, move it here. Well, we did. And then it was also because we did have a retaining wall and there was a little drop off to the fruit orchard, it was important to put a little safety rail in. So we did a really nice wire fence there so that it wouldn't block their view, but keep those kids from falling off the edge of that little baby wall there. And then finally, we had to lay some sod out. The kids need a lawn to play with. And we used the same brick to create a really nice mow strip around that. So here's the finished backyard remodel. They have this beautiful brick patio. We've strung these wonderful cafe lights over it to give it some great ambiance at night. And we also have a jacuzzi. And it was important that when you're doing a patio like this, that you run all the utility conduits before you put all that concrete and brick in. So obviously we did all of that to make sure that we could power up that jacuzzi really nicely. So they have a nice big patio for the fire pit and the jacuzzi. And what's great about the way this lays out in my design is that the jacuzzi has this spectacular view of the canyon and even all the way to the setting sun. It's just a really beautiful backyard, but we still have a great kids area to play. So they can actually sit in the jacuzzi and watch their kids play on this. And here's that wire fence again. We actually did a little Trex rail on the top so they can lean on it and enjoy the view. And there you go. Well, that's all the time we have for today. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug saying thanks for watching.